Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add products to cart on Amazon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Amazon app. Then you will find this kind of interface right over here, right? So simply scroll down, or you can simply search up the product that you want to buy. So for example, I'm going to search it up a toothpaste. Then I'm going to buy the one that I would like to purchase. Now once I chose that, originally you will just scroll down and find the add to cart option, but right now you can see since they have a lot of option, you will find this option of see all buying options. Tap on it. As soon as you do that, you will find the product including the options, and you can see which one are available, including the rating at the bottom. Then you're going to tap on add to cart, and the product will be added to cart. And if you go back, and you can tap on your cart, and you will find out the product is listed over there likewise, and you're good to go. You can do that to others as well. You can also choose to go ahead, pick a product that you would prefer from the categories, and once you have got the products, make sure to tap on see options as soon as possible, and then you can make sure to simply scroll and find the buying option. Once you have got the buying option including the amount, then you can simply go ahead and add them to your cart. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.